Hey y'all. In this video, we're going to be looking at deriving the equation of a straight line. First, let's take a look at a Cartesian plane. If you have two random points that are joined together, they form a straight line. So for example, let me choose a point here and here. And when I join them using a ruler, they form a straight line. Now, the first thing that we need to be knowing for a straight line is something called as m, which is a slope of a line. Every line can either be sloped upwards or downwards. In other words, mathematically, m can be defined as change in the y value divided by change in the x value. That is because at every given random points on my line, there is a change in my x and y values, and the amount of vertical shift divided by the amount of horizontal shift defines my slope. Coming back to the diagram, this is going to be my origin, so it's going to be 0, 0. Let me choose one point on the line, which is going to be x, y. I'm not going to give any numbers to them. Now, by definition, every straight line, regardless of what slope it has, could be passing through one point on the y-axis. The only exceptions are lines that are parallel either to the x or y-axis. So in this case, let's choose this point, which is passing through the y-axis. The coordinate of this line is always going to be 0, a number. In mathematics, every number can be defined as a constant, so let's call it c. Now, let's try and figure out what is the change in y value. So if I look at both these coordinates, the change in y value is going to be y minus c. So this becomes y minus c over my change in x value, which is x minus 0. So it becomes x minus 0. Writing this under the thing will become y minus c over x. I'm going to rearrange all my terms. I'm going to be moving my x to the other side. This gives me mx is equal to y minus c. Keeping the y on one side and moving all the other terms to the other side, I will be getting my y is equal to mx plus c. This is the general form of a straight line equation. See you in the next one.